Hi guys and welcome to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Christiana Pamela. You're welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, I love you all so much. Today I'll be sharing with you all this DIY that is so economical and has been helping me save a lot in this inflated economy. I have 75 liters of water. I'll take out 5 liters and set aside and continue mixing with 20 liters. Into that, I'm adding nitrous salt. I'll go on to mix that. Mixing is important in liquid soap, okay? This is actually my second time of making liquid soap, and for the very first time, I didn't learn it anywhere. When you get to the chemical shop where you're to buy the chemicals, tell them the quantity you want to make, and they will give you the quantity of chemicals needed to achieve that and help you number it in a way you add it into the water and achieve what you want to do. They even go as far as explaining how to do it for you. So it's actually very easy. You don't have to wait to learn it or go for any training. You too can do it. And this has been helping me. The second one we'll be adding is caustic soda. Caustic soda. If you look at that labeling, you will see they put number 2. I will be following the order in which it was numbered. Number 2 caustic soda. We go on to add that and mix. Mixing is so important. Going into the water now is soda ash, which is number 3, okay? Keep mixing, it will dissolve. If your hand is paining you and they have an immersion blender, you can use that and dissolve that. I had to go in with that, and looking at it, it has dissolved and looking all good. Here is the 5 liters we took out from the 25 liters and set aside initially. The first I'm adding is STTP. The next is SLS, the one they call rice. Add in SLS and then Texapon. This was in the order I was told to do it. The chemical shop I went to the very first time I wanted to make liquid soap, the seller told me that I should use a liter of water to dissolve each chemical. Afterwards, I will add them in the order she numbered it. That is adding 2 into 1, 3 into 1 and 2, 4 into 1 to 3, and so on and so forth. Then after mixing and after combining rather, and it's still very thick, I can add in water to my desired consistency. And I did that and I got what I wanted. This is so economical. It's something you would like to try. After mixing these 5 liters, we'll pour it into the 20 liters of solution. 5 liters into the 20 liters of solution, and then we mix. Then we mix, and it's time to add sulfonic acid. And we continue mixing until it has all combined, dissolved, and okay. Mix and check for lump, and there's no lump at all. I'll go on to add my daughter's choice of color, which is orange. I'll add in fragrance of choice, which is vanilla. Mix that and allow the solution to rest for a few hours just so it could settle well. Pour that into a container, and that is all, guys. We have our liquid soap now, which is perfect for washing dishes, mopping the floor, even doing laundry. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one.